All right, buddy, in you go. There you go. No, off he goes. He just vomited out your squid. How cool was, yeah. It was like, mate, that squid's bad. Spanish flag. Look at that, how beautiful. All right, put him on the ground, my love.
Probably the bastard's been stealing all my bait.
Awesome work. Yeah, it probably has. He's a nice size one.
Stopped ever since that fish come out of the water.
It's a beautiful size one. Well done. Scott's on something actually a nice size. Oh, another stripey. Or a Spanish flag. Check it out, another nice size one there.
That looks like the same one I just had.
It is not.
I think Scott just...
Beautiful damn fish. Well done, Scotty. Give us a look, hold him up. There you go, another one. Awesome work. Looks like Scotty's still leading the charge. Third fish for the day, doing a runner. Pretty cool. Right, in you go, buddy. We've got Robert on as well now. What do you got?
Wins. I guess I win. No,
just give us a look before you oh, you're so cool. Hang on, give us a look, give us a look. Robert has got a double hook out. Baby. Oh, and a little bit bigger. Well done. All right, get him in. That's so cool. Well done.
I think that deserves honourable mention.
Yeah, I think Robert's catching up now. All right, whoa, now that is a bloody good size one. That's getting a little bit better. That's a nice size stripey.
Yeah, that's a bit bigger.
That's good. Yeah, I got it. Oh, what is, oh my God, that is a bluebone. If that was any bigger, they are the most beautiful eating fish. That's a really nice fish. Just check that out. That's an incredible looking fish. Such a pretty fish.
I think I've had like 7 flags and
a brim.
2 other fish. So
yeah.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Are they 2?
14 fish all up. So.
Shit, it's not bad, is it? See, we're gonna like probably hang out here for another, what, 15 minutes? And they're laughing at me. Because I can't keep changing my mind. And all of a sudden we get a bite, someone gets a fish, then I want to stay. Only because I want to go for some big girls, but you just don't know. We're pretty deep where we are now. But I just want to cruise all around this area. There's loads of rocks down there. Scotty's on again. A little baby stripey. I think you just got to... Oh, you're funny. I think Scott's on a huge big hole right there, right?
Hey, I'm not anywhere near a hole. Just fucking casting your own.
Okay, so we have just finished at our spot.
About 8.
9. Yeah, Scott got about 9. Robert got...
This was ran off to 5.
You did not. He got 3. So what's that? And I got about 3. So about 16 fish. So we had a pretty epic morning. We're going to head back in now before we get stuck at the boat ramp. But anyway, check it out. Great conditions. And yeah, I'm out.